These are all the tools and supplies I'll be using to clean the battery post terminals on this car battery. I'll put all these in the description below for easy access. First thing I'm going to do is grab some vinegar and baking soda. Put some in, get a little fizz, soak it with a towel, and then put it on the terminal and on the other one. Let's clean that up. Now I'm going to use my battery post and terminal cleaner. And when you take this off, you could also just use a wire brush if you want to clean this. It doesn't matter. Let's turn it on. There we go. Nice and shiny. See how shiny that is now? Good. Let's do the same on the other side. There we go. Clean up any dust excess that's on here. Or you can use a vinegar baking soda again. It's nice and clean. I'll dry it. Now, the other side, this is meant to go, you stick this inside the terminals in the car, each one. Clean it. Same thing, you can put some vinegar and baking soda inside of it. And then clean it, wire brush. And then clean it again with some baking soda and vinegar, and then dry it, of course, and then wait a couple minutes. Then what you can do is you can apply some dielectric grease or some petroleum jelly on each terminal post. You don't need a lot. Do that on the other side. Normally it would be best to put this on when this is in the car. That's so no contaminants get on it. Before I take this to the car and install it, I'll charge this up first and use a desulfator charger to restore and make better this battery. That way, I'll save a lot of money from buying a new lead acid battery or AGM battery by doing this. I really do recommend most people to do that to prolong their battery. To see that interesting video or how to test the remaining life of your car battery, check it out in the description. And please mention your thoughts in the comments about this quick battery cleaning video of the post terminals. All supplies used will be in the description below. Please like and subscribe, but most importantly, just have a great day or night.